Hey guys, it's Josh from Guardian Training Consulting. I get a lot of questions about how do you transition from your rifle to your pistol. So we're going to address that in this video today. First question you have to ask yourself is, why are you transitioning? You should be transitioning your pistol because the theory is that transitioning from your rifle to your pistol instead of trying to fix your rifle is faster. You're absolutely right, it is faster. But what if that problem that's within 25 yards needs to be solved with a rifle and not a pistol? See, that's where we have to think about it, is if it's a rifle problem and you need a rifle solution, even within that 25 yards, what do we have to do? We have to fix the rifle, not transition to the pistol, because for whatever reason, that problem's not going to be solved with the pistol. We shouldn't be transitioning to a pistol just automatically. We should be thinking about it. I hope that answered all of your questions with regards to transitions. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please post them, contact us, sign up for a private lesson, continue on your education. I'm Josh from Guardian Training Consulting. Have a great day.